Hi! Today we're going to learn about improper integrals in calculus. Let's say we have to compute the integral from 0 to infinity of 3x squared dx. So how do we do this? Well, as we can see, we have the integral from 0 to infinity. And we don't know how to compute the definite integral when one of the bounds or two of the bounds are infinity. So how do we do that? Well, here's where we go back to something that we learned at the very beginning of calculus: limits. So we say that this would be the limit as some value t approaches the value that we don't know how to compute the definite integral of, which in this case is infinity. So the limit as t approaches infinity of the integral from 0 to t, so now we actually have something there instead of infinity, of 3x squared. Now this integral is relatively simple, or very simple. It would just be, so now we would get the limit as t approaches infinity of the integral would be x cubed from 0 to t, which would be equal to the limit as t approaches infinity of t cubed minus 0 cubed, which is equal to the limit as t approaches infinity of t cubed. Now the limit as t approaches infinity of t cubed would be infinity. So that's our answer, right? However, that's not correct. Whenever the integral, or whenever there's a limit that's equal to infinity or does not exist, or negative infinity, and does not exist, then what that means is that the limit does not converge. So that means that the answer to this problem is does not converge. It diverges. Today we learned about improper integrals in calculus. Thank you for watching this video.